Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find your comments section on your account on Rednote. So the answer is easy. Just click on Rednote and here you will find this three lines here. Click on it, and as you see here you will find this my comments section right here, and here you will find all your comments. As you see, look forward to your first comments. So as you see here, you will find all your the history of your comments. All of them will be showing here, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.